Got it here, $5,000 knife. This is collaboration between Barker and Morpheon Custom and Barker. Hopefully I pronounce it right. First of all, this is a music theme. As you can see, there's a Morpheon with a B on the side of it. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, $5,000 knife. They're actually more expensive knives they make. This right here, music notes from Johnny Cash opening song for Walk the Line, and you see we can light it up, all of them, so that's cool. So that's Fomis. There's a coin, and I think on a coin there's a glow in the dark. I forgot what it's called, glow in the dark paint, but it's same as a gun sight. So let's take out the actual knife. So yeah, wow, that's smooth. There you go, fingerprints all over. I got it from somebody's collection. So yeah, beautiful. So yeah, this knife side here are 5,000s plus. Knife center and things like that. And this handle, especially this side, is pretty unique. It comes from those super expensive $500,000 watches. It's called Carbo Cords handle. Not really sure how to pronounce it exactly, but this is a pattern, and I think this is the last knife they were going to make it, because they have to, I guess, kind of like buy the rights to use it. But yeah, flipping it, there you go, kind of not forward, to the side this way. But yeah, with this frame lock, with my big hands I usually push right here too much. But yeah, let's look at the handle right here. A Morpheon SPRNG. Love that. This is so cool. I'm learning so much about the knives. This knife is really nice. This side here, perfect balance, so you can grab it and hold it, extremely lightweight. Love that. So yeah, definitely. Let's see. Whoa, do you see that? So you just grab it like that. Okay, I'm kind of learning how to open frame locks. You just kind of grab it like that and push it out. Extremely smooth. You see it? Nothing holding up to it. There you go. Yeah, that's a really nice knife. So let's kind of give it a little shake. See how smooth it is. Wow. That is nice. A really thick blade. Oh yeah, it's definitely glows in somewhat darkness, as you can see. So that way you can see it from far away where your knife is. You see it? It's just like a gun sights on a pistol. There you go, there's a focused. That is kind of cool how it's glowing. It looks like a battery. Just one little piece glowing over there. That is unique. Same thing with the coin. You got right here two glow in the dark Morpheon. Let me flip it over. I'm gonna blip it out, but on the same side it's same thing, but there's some profanity on this coin. But yeah, love the coin too. But yeah, I really love the casing, and this certificate of authenticity is metal. So yeah, this is Morpheon Custom Knives, Barker Blades, Anthony L. Morpheon. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce this name, I'm gonna butcher it. SBTF collaboration 11/20/21. Wow, that's actually really new, only a month old or so. And there's the two signatures, made in USA. How beautiful it is. There you go. There's a guitar and the logo, Morpheon and Barker knives. I really like that logo, how they incorporate together. There's M and B, you see it on a dagger knife. And let's look at this close up. This coin is beautiful, really lightweight. I wish it was platinum or something. I don't think it is. And on this side, you see it? Pretty cool. But yeah, $5,000 knife. Would you guys use it? My big hands always having trouble with this lock, but looks like I can put my two fingers on this little clip and I can just flick it out, no problem. Because if you put fingers over here, you pretty much hold in the lock and cannot push it out. So that's a pretty unique like trick. Put 2 fingers here, maybe this one over here, boom, flies out. Yeah, what's cool about really expensive knives, even if you use them, you're still going to be able to sell it for good money. Just like Gucci or Chanel purses. This is more like a Chanel purse. Gucci purses like what, $2,000, $1,000. Chanel purses around $5,000. You get yourself, guys, a Gucci or Chanel purse. I'll get myself a $5,000 knife. For you, all of you guys who kind of complain how expensive this knife. So it's just some of those high-end designer clothes, and what else, like cars and things like that. You know, people buy it and just use it lightly and take care of them way better. So that's what it's about. Pretty cool for sure. Let me know in comments below, what do you think? Pelican case over here, yeah.